5 quick, cheap, easy mods you need for your S650. All right, guys, first things first, and most importantly, if you want to be a bad dog around these parts, you better have some cool tire valve stem caps, all right? Ain't nobody want to see you roll up to Cars and Coffee with your stock plastic caps. If you want to be the big dog around here, get yourself some badass custom caps. Otherwise, leave the thing in the garage. Second, you got to get a custom vanity plate. You want to be a cool S650 owner, get something cool on a custom vanity plate, and it needs to be accompanied by a nice license plate frame. Otherwise, what are you doing? And on top of that, make sure you get the covers, okay? Nobody wants to see your silver or even your black screws. Get the covers on it, clean it up, make it look nice and a little more expensive, okay? Then we transition. We got ourselves a $12 cargo net off Amazon, all right? Everybody needs a cargo net. Gives you a little storage, keeps it from going slish slosh while I'm drifting in and out of the car meets. And no, I'm not hitting the crowds. I'm keeping it on the pavement. So we'll get that installed. Then you had to have your phone mount, okay? So we got this one from China. It's a nice phone mount. Hopefully it works all right. We'll try it out because there's no wireless charging in the 2025. So we'll try this thing out. Then finally, our other $10 mod from Amazon. We got the door handle cups, all right? You go for storage. You could put your key in there. You could put your chapstick in there. You could put your phone if you were too cheap to get yourself a proper phone mount. So let's get all this stuff installed, see how it looks, see if it's worth it. Cargo net is in. Easiest way to do it, start at the bottom, hook it there, then you can stretch at the top and at the top. Make sure they're all nice and snug and get a little loose. Boing, boing. Now you got your storage. Looks cool, and it will make everything go everywhere. Now it's time for our interior mods. Let's see what we got here. Is this the right one? No, of course not. Man, it smells good in here with these new leather seats. It smells brand new again. Dang, it smells good. All right, back to our program. So I went with these ones. There's no tape or anything. It's just this foam pad. It's kind of like just pressure. So you push it in just like that. Bam. So that's how it looks without it. This is how it looks with it. And now you have storage. You can go boop. There you go. You can put something in there. Your hand doesn't go through. So not bad. If I don't like them, you can just look, boop, pop them out. But that's it. Let's get the other one in. Now, time for the phone mount. So let's see what this cheapie does. It's supposed to be specific for the Mustang to fit in between the two vents there. Let's see what we got. So you got this here. All right, so thread this off, shove the little nub in it, and let's see. You should then push that in. Hear that snap? Then you can tighten this down. Then once that's tight, you take your bracket, you should slide it just like that. You hear that snap. Snap it right back on. Just like that. Then you can angle it how you like. Bam! So when the phone's seated, it comes down here, it doesn't block any of your buttons here. And then the phone comes up to about here and just blocks a little bit of the screen there. Quick recap. Phone mount installed. Door handle cups installed. Tire valve cap stems installed. License plate frame installed. Cargo net installed. So that is 5 cheap, quick, easy mods. Everything was done in a total of 10 minutes. Everything looks good. Everything was super cheap. Let me know what you guys think and drop your questions, comments below of what 5 cheap mods you did to your Mustang and whether you think they're worth it or not. And all the links to the products will be in the description below. Thanks for following the build. Be sure to check out more videos on my badass Mr. Chrome RTR Spec 3. And don't forget about the Cobra as well.